I'm still trying to fix this. I've got this off, the ratchet's not working really well on it, and I've tried to play with it, and I might have to go and get a new one. Tried everything to pull that thing apart. If you're pulling it apart, just take that middle bit off. These side bits undo to the spring, and there's your cord, so don't. All good. So I'm wondering whether I should run this thing on LiPo batteries. Leave me a comment if you think I should do something with that to make it into a LiPo battery motorbike. That'd be fun. So, and I'm not going to run out of batteries very soon. This is a continuation of the chainsaw video I was doing before. I grabbed this one and I thought, yeah, that's the right one. It looks similar, but it wasn't. It was too big. So you see the difference on size straight away. This one's a smaller one fits properly. This is the old one, and this is the string pull on it. It broke. The spring came off, everything. That one's a different one, a little bit different to that, but not much difference. This one looks a bit more chunkier than that one. That one's for a later model. I think that's for the 450 to 445, 10 grams. And this one is this little baby one. I'm not 100% sure what this one was. I'll just have a look on the outside here. It's the 440. So the 440 is different to the 445. Now the 445 is actually bigger. It must be due to its size. I need to use this now, so I'm going to pop that back on and then start her up. So let's do that. You'll need a 4mm hex screwdriver or hex head. Can be the L shape, or it can be just one of these, or it can be a screwdriver if you've got them. So that just needs to go in 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and it should be done. Okay, got all the screws in. You have to push hard because there's actually you've got a gasket in there, so you need to do that. The reason this was so cheap, I just hammered that back in, but it's the only thing that's a little bit different to the others. I wouldn't complain about it, and the colour's different to the normal chainsaw. This is the original colour, and it doesn't look anything like it. So, close as they can get, and you can tell right away this was built better at the time. There's a better system than this. This is kind of cheap and nasty compared to that, because you've got more metal in that than that one, but at the price you don't complain. Anyway, that's yes. Otherwise this thing wouldn't be going at all, and you know, get those parts is hard to get enough at the moment, so that'll do me. I'll pop that on there. Apparently it's patented, not in China, it's not. Anyway, we'll keep on moving. See you on the next one. This is short. Catch you soon. Please subscribe and like and ring the bell, please. Yeah, everyone laugh at me. Bought from China, fell to bits in seconds. And I reckon they could want, you know, hassle anyone. I don't think they can. But yeah, production started in other countries. There'd be no way that would have come off. Anyway, that's it.